Why you recording though?
Stop recording.
Why you taking my clips?
Stop recording.
Yo, chat, he said I'm taking the clips, so I'm just gonna walk out, chat. I don't know what we about to get into. It's too dark here. Hey, man, I don't know what we about to get into today. But I'm in Jamari bathroom, bro.
Oh, what the fuck what did you just say?
I said, I'm in Jamari bathroom, man.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your...
My fault.
They look good, but twin. Weak. Twin, you know, weak. Nah, get you one. Open that.
What they taste like?
Let's try them, twin. Can you like hurry up, though?
Like, this has been here for a minute. And we should cook this one day, bro.
No! We don't eat chocolate cake.
First off, from the packaging.
Bro,
It look regular cosmic. Look regular.
weak. That was weak. Yeah. Nah.
Oh, sponsorship, boy. No sponsorship. They good.
Saturday feel like a Gucci Man legal and I made up IC.
You got your phone ring? Where the trash at?
Right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Fancy. Ooh. Fancy.
Well.
Yo.
Why she immediately tell?
I know, bro. I've been arguing with mom.
Come on, wipe it down. Like that?
Yeah, boy. Thought I'd meet up.
What?
I really could.
Pause.
It's rice. But I really do this though.
You know what I'm saying? Cooking with Drew, man. Finna get in the kitchen, man. Finna show you how it really go down.
Pop the cap.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell.
Want me to turn them on?
Oh!
Mom, you want me to turn the rice on?
I don't know what you're doing, man.
Gang, I really cook for real.
Why is the rice still in the bag?
Whoa.
Why is the rice still in the bag?
For real?
What?
You for real? No.
It's not supposed to be in there.
You for real? What did you just say to me? No. What did you just say to me?
Why is the rice?
What did you just say to me?
Why is the rice in the bag?
Here, bud.
Exactly.
I'm gonna let you think about that one, son.
Why is the rice in the bag?
All right, look. See, I'm gonna be a double man. So this is like rice you cook in the bag.
Shut up, bitch.
Anyways,
Shout
chat.
out Biggie Smalls.
Hey. How did we get the chips from?
That's how I was gonna be when I'm done.
Dang, it's black as shit. time is it? 6:19 p.m. January 7th. I'm about to slide on all the hoes, all the milfs. You know what I'm saying? All the milfs, all the gilfs, everything. Slide on everything, bro. Slide on everything, dog.
What the fuck what did you just say?
You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna just show you how to slide on shit.
What did you say? What? We gonna call my mama.
Snitching head. Nah, I don't know where we going, gang.
Oh! I just said we go to like.
Bro, where's what? The gas.
Oh! I just say like, what if we went to stores and just trolled? Perfect.
Yeah, I forgot my water again.
Y'all trolling. Fuck my wood.
She got a baby now. Oh!
Fuck my wood.
I hope y'all boys can see me and shit. Hey, we finally decided where we going, man. We going to fucking Target. We're gonna cause some havoc in Target.
What do you mean by that?
Fuck all the bitches in Target.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Not me.
Get all the hoes in Target. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna go to Target, bro. I don't know what the fuck we finna do in Target. But nigga, yeah, I'm gonna just catch up with y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? When we get back at Target. Now I'm in a big body 4x4 Jeep, nigga.
Got it.
I'm just playing, nigga. I'm just playing.
They got scared or what?
Nigga, ah.
A few moments later.
My nigga.
Twin.
My nigga. Hey, we just made the Target, man. We made the Target, y'all niggas. I gotta stop cussing.
We here, Brody.
I dead ass got.
Oh!
I gotta stop cussing, bro. I really gotta stop cussing, bro. The rest of this video, however this video go, the rest of this video I'm not cussing.
Stop the cap.
Yeah.
You will not hear a cuss word from me. Let me get a cuss word counter at the bottom. However many cuss words I say. I don't know, but yeah, we need to go keep track of it. Yeah. Nigga Woods. You're wasting paper.
Oh!
Yo, we just got to Target. You know what I'm saying? This young nigga got my key. I don't know why he ain't got my key. Fucking YN. Look, tight ass pants. He fit the description. Look, lighter hanging from his waist and shit.
Hey.
Like I said, we just didn't get to Target. I don't know. Yeah, they niggas spit the pole and shit.
I was beginning because I went first.
Like as I was saying, I'm gonna get in Target, and this is my first time we vlogging. We got people looking at me and stuff, but it don't really matter though. Like that's what it's about. This is what it's about. You know what I'm saying? This is what it's about.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Well, this is the worst job.
I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. You didn't tell me. God damn. It says out. It says out. It says out. Man, you can't read. Look, he go to TOU, bro. TOU is not doing enough if he can't read the words out. TOU is a college veteran. He's in college. You ain't never been to Target. Wow. Wow. No! Kept.
I love you, but God love you more. I don't love you that much. Oh! This whole dead.
Shut up, bitch!
He went to J.C. Penney and got that.
No, bitch, I went to AutoZone and got that for $6, nigga. Nigga tried to play me. And if I did go to J.C. Penney, what's wrong with J.C. Penney's, nigga? J.C. Penney is basically designer. Yes, sir. Woo, woo. Jets and Rockets. 30 to 23.
Oh!
What the rose is?
Shut up, bitch.
They got Wimby merch.
55 to 20.
They got Wimby merch.
Loki, I think I'm better than Wimby.
Oh!
Target got some shit, man. Got the Levi's.
Oh, they baggy though.
No, they slim. Slim ass pants. They for him. Hey, man. We in here doing nothing, gang. Like, nothing. Shitting. Why you bullshitting? Hey, I got like 10 of these.
You keep collecting those?
Yes, bro. I ain't got no rare shit though. Who the fuck is Don? Who? Jump who? Who gonna jump who?
I ain't gonna lie, we doing.
Cause I'll be both of y'all at.
Oh!
Okay, no cap. That's what I was saying. Who the fuck is Don? Nigga? Lame ass niggas. These niggas ain't no, hey, them niggas ain't on shit. In my life, niggas ain't on shit. Hey, I've been on these niggas my whole life. These niggas ain't never been on shit. Especially the little niggas.
Oh!
He tried to get my. Pause. See how I'm still walking freely? Ain't shit happening to them. These niggas live in the suburbs, bro. You see how I'm walking? You see?
Oh!
Get my shit back. One time. I only had to add one time. Hoe ass from Goose Creek. Hoe ass from Goose Creek.
How many times you gonna say that though?
What?
You recycling your jokes.
I said it twice.
You said it like last time I was with you.
Shut up, bitch.
What?
Of course you set your phone up right here.
Bro, we should make a TikTok. Hey, we finna get a TikTok in here, bro. This behind the scenes, bro. We finna hit this motherfucker.
We not hitting that. See, I hate when he be doing that shit, bro.
Weak ass ain't lifting. Weak ass ain't getting no work in. Weak ass ain't getting no work in. Bro. Hey, man.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no.
Fuck. Bro, these niggas so black, bro. Can't take niggas nowhere. Can't take niggas nowhere, man. Like literally, cuz. Oh shit, trash. I'm saying, got me a cameraman. Finally, long awaited, guys. I finally got me a cameraman, so we're gonna have better and more extravagant.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Better and more
I
extravagant.
look better than you.
Better and more extravagant content.
Oh my god. No.
What?
I'm not even trying to hold you because you're recording. Oh my god.
I'm trying to say my birth stink.
We don't fuck with dude.
She asked me though. I'm good.
What are we here for?
We came here to race.
Last one home or dub.
Like, that's one home or dub, you know what I'm saying? And we all running fun, so that shit super fun coming up through traffic.
Where the rat at?
Game.
Nigga, ain't no rat in here.
Bro, all my life.
Where'd it go?
It was like, it crawled up there with them chips. Why are we going to it? Nigga, it crawled up there.
Huh? What the hell is this? Never mind. But ain't no rat. This nigga clickbaited us.
Shut your lame ass up.
Oh!
I swear to God, bro.
Oh!
Bro, what? Bro, alright, you can mess with the race stuff. I'm gonna smoke this nigga.
What we going to do? Go to that white.
On your mark, get set, go.
Oh my God. Bro, this nigga slow on my mama, cuz.
Like, I'm not even tired. Like, I'm not tired at all.
Yeah, finally leaving Target after long awaited shopping and a bunch of non-shit. We're finally leaving Target because we got kicked out. Trolling, bro. We just leaving Target, bro. We ain't do shit in here, bro. We just leaving this bitch. We literally just leaving this bitch. After
Bro, this is-
walking in a big ass circle.
I ain't never seen Target this dead on my soul.
Bro, that's because it's after holidays. You gotta go like this way.
Hard for my nigga like Morty and Rick.
Watch this, watch this. Thanks for having us.
I ain't gonna lie. All the white people face turned red. You made them so mad.
I'm talking about some thanks for having us. What the fuck? Like we own this bitch. Cause we do. And cuss like.
Yeah, nigga, you been cussing the whole time.
Bro, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
Shut up, bitch.
I ain't gonna lie, when we all get cars and we race home in our shit, like, on my soul, I'm not losing.
Stop the cap.
On my soul, I'm not. I'm gonna have the fastest car.
Oh!
This nigga, first of all, this nigga thinks he's about to have the fastest car, nigga. The fuck?
Nigga tried to hold you, boy.
Bro, it was a basket on my shit. God damn, they fucked up. Nah, let me not say that shit. Gang, get out the car. "911! Call 911! Call 911! Someone! These niggas are stealing my car! These niggas are stealing my car! No! Bro, this nigga... Bro, I'm sitting here calling for help. Calling for help. Hey, bro, this nigga actually took off on my shit, gang. This nigga actually took off on my shit, gang. I'm nervous as hell because if he crashed my shit, fuck, I don't know what I'm gonna do, bro. Oh fuck, I lost him. I don't know where he went. Fuck. Well, looks like I'm walking.
A few moments later.
That's why you don't let YNs hold your. That's why you don't let YNs hold your key, bro. God dang, bro. You play too much. My fucking Jeep back. God damn. I'll catch y'all when I gotta get a ride home, bro. I gotta get something. I gotta get a ride home, bro. Fuck.
An eternity later.
Look at this lame ass nigga. Yep, now y'all see how fast she is. I didn't even get to do that shit yet for y'all. I ain't even get to do that for y'all. Hey, get the fuck out of my shit!
Like, man, nigga, we took your shit. You can't do nothing about it, nigga. We switched.
What's up?
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. We just took this nigga Drew car. He couldn't do nothing about it.
Shut up, bitch.
Hey, I'm finna get some.
Who that is?
I'm finna show niggas what I'm working with. Hey, give me, nigga. Don't get this nigga on the phone. Fuck this nigga.
Put your butt on. Yeah, nigga. I'm big brother, nigga.
I just got a free cookie from Crumbl, you know what I'm saying? We waiting on them to make it. And I'm finna try it right here in the store. Right here in the store. Ain't that right? Yep. Yeah. Thank you. Good luck. I think we can afford it. It's so chill. I thought it was warm, but it's chill, guys.
What?
Anyway, we finna try this, bro. I got the Oreo sandwich. From the looks of it, it's not into it. It looks good. You can have this back.
Let me try.
That whole ass, bro. I should have pieced it. I should have pieced that.
Let's go for right there. Okay, we try.
You go for another
You
bite.
like it. Let me try. This all yours?
Bro. 5 years old. Hey, we gotta get out the way, bro.
Oh, dad.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
I'm on mama this whole guys.
Look at this dude. Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
No way Crumbl got y'all acting like this.
Get your ass on.
No way Crumbl got them acting like this. These niggas in here acting a fool for Crumbl. And the
threesome.
This is indeed Big May. She's big as shit. She wide as shit. She thick as shit. She gray as shit. Look at her. Somebody, a bird pooped on my shit, boy. In the fucking whip though. Crumbl cookie, fucking today. 4 out of 10. Shit was mid.
You ain't like it, bro? That whole 10 out of 10.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Alright, but I think I left the key in there.
Hey, you still sick, right? There you is.
What the hell tastes like? What the hell tastes like?
Why you lying to me?
You're not driving my shit, gang. I'm sorry. You had your chance.
You said what?
What the hell tastes like?
This whole tastes like chicken, God.
What the fuck? Bro, why are you grabbing me? Weird ass nigga. Get in the car.
No, that one was good as fuck.
And a boo boo.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
So if I kill that nigga, I'm good, boy. If I kill that nigga, we still good, right?
No, I'm about to kill you.
Oh!
And I'm off myself.
Chill. Chill, nigga. Nigga, I'm recording from my protection here. You get up out of here too if I get up out of here. We get up out of here.
I'm about to be the one to live or what? Tell the story.
You rolled up at the top. You have a ribbon.
Nigga, how does it end right here at the bottom? Just like this.
No, it don't. Where?
Right here on the side. At the bottom. It ends just like this.
Said that in like that. Let me see.
Look, it do. I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about this right here at the bottom. Gang, this is a scroll.
Where are you showing me?
The line where the tattoo ends before the clouds.
Bro, look how it's rolled up right there. That's a scroll.
I don't have that.
You
I
gotta
know.
start off a ribbon. This is a
I don't have that. I don't have that.
This is a ribbon.
It's a ribbon. Top right here.
It's a ribbon.
Bro, tell it. No, it's not.
Okay, let's ribbon tattoos.
I told that nigga, give me a scroll. I wanted a scroll.
But how come?
Like, what are you talking about? Like, you don't even know what you're talking about.
I don't know.
Ribbon tattoo?
Ooh, that dude look more like yours. Oh, yo, you talking about you. There we go. There we go. Where that be go? Where that be go? Twin. Where that be go?
Yeah, so it's just not working, so that means we just can't look after that.
You know you wrong. It's okay. You have a ribbon with names on it.
I'm the only nigga you know with a ribbon.
That's a ribbon. Boy. Watch out, twin. Watch out, twin.
I'm feeling good right now, man. When you wrong, he get heated. Look at me.
Yeah, he always tell me I get mad when I'm wrong.
What?
You always be like, you don't ever want to be wrong. You don't ever want to be wrong. You don't ever want to be wrong. You always mad. No one else can be right. Boy, look at you now, boy.
No, I'm wrong. It's cool.
Yeah.
I know how to like accept it though. I'm a man. I know how to accept my wrongs and admit I'm wrong. Do you?
Yes.
Okay.